Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to withdraw money from your Bitget account. So right now, we're at the home page, and the first thing we have to do is go over to our profile icon over at the top left, tap on that, and once taken here, we have to tap on sell. Now, what you have to understand about this is when you sell any of your assets, that goes directly to your bank account, and when you buy anything, that goes into your assets into our crypto wallets. Now that said, we have to make sure that our bank account is indeed linked with our Bitget account, and to do that, we have to tap on the top right on these three dot icons to bring up the P2P menu, and then we tap on payment methods. Simply add a payment method, and from where I'm at, these are the different payment methods I can link with this account. And once I've linked that in, I can simply contact any of these traders right here to sell my assets, and it will go directly into a payment method that I've added on this account. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.